Hey, what's up guys, this is Sarvesh from SKS Tech back with another video. We all use social media apps such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram on a daily basis. While surfing through these apps, every now and then we come across a video that we like and want to share with our friends and family, or simply want to download it to watch it offline later, anytime. But none of these apps provide the facility or options to download these videos to your Photos app. So in this video, I'm going to share with you an easy way to download these videos directly to your iPhone's Photos app using shortcuts. Obviously, this method only works on iPhones, so very sorry Android users. Also, just a little note before starting that you should not use this method to download any copyrighted content in order to use it for your personal gain. So with that out of the way, let's get started. The app that you'll need to get started is the Shortcuts app made by Apple itself. So after installing this app, go to Settings, scroll down till you see this Shortcuts and allow this Untrusted Shortcuts. After doing that, you need to install the shortcut SMD 4.0.2, the link for which will be given in the description below. After installing this, now you can download videos from all over the social media apps. Let me show you how to do so. So here in Facebook, to download this NCS video, just tap on Share, tap on More Options to open the iOS 13 share sheet, scroll down till you see this SMD 4.0.2, tap on that. Now it will ask you for the definition of the video. Do you want it in standard definition or high definition? Tap the high definition one for better video quality. After downloading, it will show you the preview of the downloaded video. Now just tap on this share icon, scroll down and tap on Save Video. There you go, the video is now saved to your Photos app. In Twitter, just tap on this share icon, share tweet, scroll down till you see the shortcut name, tap on it. There you go, the video is now downloaded. Again tap on this share and tap on Save Video. Same goes for Instagram, just tap this three dot menu, tap on Share To, scroll down till you see the shortcut name, there you go, the Insta video is also downloaded. Just tap on Save Video. Now in Photos app, as you can see, all the three videos that were downloaded from three different social media apps are ready to play offline. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Comment down below if you have any queries or suggestions for the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button to ensure that you will never miss a video posted by SKS Tech. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.